guys.
Hi guys, we bought a Spider-Man jacket today.
Yes. Hey guys, so it's Thursday. I just wanted to do a quick Target haul. This is like my Target haul for kind of like 4th of July. Also try to last until payday,
And we
end
bought
of June.
a very own surprise. It's a Spider-Man jacket.
Rory wants to share his Spider-Man jacket. We're trying to find him a like Spider-Man costume hoodie thing, and they finally got them in at Target. So we saw it. They didn't have this a couple days ago, and now they have it. And Rory really liked it. Right, Rory? You like it?
Yeah. Try it on me. Try it on me so I can show the camera.
I will in a sec, okay? So we ended up buying it. It was $20. It's gonna last him a long time though. It's huge. It's just a size small, so it's gonna last him a long time. But let me get into all of this because I need to put it away. Okay, I've got everything laid out. I'm gonna go fast because I'm tired. So I'm a fussy baby. I have to go fast.
Hi. And then the head. And then the head.
Did you bump your head? So I've never had the Bublé. I see a commercial with Michael Bublé, but it's a bubbly. I don't know. Is that how you say it? Bubbly? Sparkling water. I got the strawberry flavor because I usually drink the Perrier sparkling water. I like the strawberry one of that. And it's that time of year where I need to be drinking more water and not soda. Got the kids a big, huge thing of applesauce because even though I know we just went to Costco, can I have my finger? This is how much applesauce they have left from Costco. From that huge case. I don't know if I hauled that, but the huge case of applesauce from Costco, this is all they have left. So I'm hoping that will last us a good week, hopefully. And then I also got, as a backup, I got the yogurt. Here, have some juice. I also got some apple fritters for our breakfast. I also got a 3-pound bag of apples. The kids really love their apples, so I'm glad we picked that up because we have none. We got some tortilla chips for our Mexican nights, and Rory chose these chips for the kids, and then Dan really loves the Chex Mix. And then I also got the kids a huge thing of the Danimals smoothie. This is good for breakfast time to have on the side. 2 things of the frozen corn, 2 things of the mashed potatoes. Dan got this to take to work. Rory chose the Spider-Man fruit snacks, and for some reason Luna chose the Avengers. I don't know why, but I got some half and half for myself, and I got this to make because I have a pot roast in the freezer that I need to cook up. So I think I'm going to try to use up some stuff that I have in the freezer. And then I got an onion to throw in with that and a bag of carrots for that. And I already have celery in this for the kids. I thought it would be a good option just to make a quick dinner. Because when you have kids screaming at you, you just kind of want to have the dinner ready. So that was my thought there. And then I had 2 avocados. I don't know where the other one went, but I had 2. Luna was playing with it, so I'm not sure where it's at. Also for Mexican night, I got these to try out. It's nacho jalapeno flavored tortillas. I don't know. They smelled so good. So I'm going to try them. Also got this to take to work and have for one of my meals there. Some potato buns because we love burgers this time of year, and we've been eating that pulled chicken that I made for the party. We've been eating that all week and using up the buns, so we definitely needed to grab some more. This came today. It's one of the shirts that I had missing when I did my quarantine haul. It's like a shirt dress kind of thing for Luna. I ordered this on Amazon. I've been feeling really run down this week, really tired, and you know, I'm introverted. I can't be around people too much. It drains me like nothing else. I've had a lot going on at work. People coming and going. We had our family thing. That was like a lot of socialization for the first time in a really long time. It's draining. Just having the feeling of having a never-ending to-do list, that's a huge burden. I feel like I do a lot on my to-do list, but then I feel like there's 10 more things to do. When I get in that mindset, yeah, I feel really dragged down. by it, because when I get to that point, I know that I need to pause and rest for a minute, because that type of thinking isn't doing me any good. I tried to stay on top of it today and get a lot of stuff done. I also did a lot of paperwork at work, got that turned in, and then tomorrow's Friday, so I feel good about that. Like, I feel good about having a lot of things accomplished this week and going into the weekend not needing to go grocery shopping or anything like that. So Saturday I'm planning on resting. We shall see. The kids are really enjoying their water table. They're actually out there playing with it right now. So I am gonna go put away the cold stuff, and I think I'll prop the camera out so you guys can watch them play for a minute while I do that.
Okay, Papa, sit down. Mom, this is a boy section. No, but Ducky's and Gray. Ducky's. Okay. Got you. Baby. Bye-bye. You do it. Wait. Ow.
Christmas is halfway away.
Okay.
It's in 6 months. Do you know what happens in July?
What?
America's birthday.
Okay.
Hi guys, so today is...
We bought, like, here is a Spider-Man Lego from Gma.
Okay, he's probably gonna come back. He's coming back.
This Christmas Jack. And the helicopter.
It never zoomed, it never...
Yeah. And here's Spidey. And keep him in there.
So it is now 5:43. So it's been at least an hour since I tried to do the original update / intro, whatever you want to call it. Rory was being a little demanding, so I had to stop what I was doing and help him out. And I also had cleaning stuff that I wanted to do, so I went ahead and did that because Dan came home and started cleaning. I was already cleaning when we got home. June is over. So it's July 2nd and it's Thursday evening. We spent all day on Saturday looking for a fridge. Just a second, I have to get the child some ice cream.
Luna, I like the popsicle. And
No, the May videos, I was maybe filming part of our problem with the fridge because the fridge is only 3 years old. And we were disappointed that it was having problems keeping the fridge cold. Like it won't keep itself cold. In this section, we pretty much can't use it anymore because it's too warm in this section, which is kind of odd because the ice maker is right here. This is our main area for the fridge, and then I just have like butter that's pretty much shelf-stable, and then a few like salsas and stuff. But it's still way too warm. I've been averaging 49 degrees is what it is right now. The lowest it's gone is 47. The warmest was 74. It's just a whole sheet of ice. I can't even grab it. It's pretty thick though. And then down there you can see all of the ice building up. And we scraped this whole thing. We scraped it about a week and a half ago. Before Luna's party, we scraped it. Here, this is staying cold. I can tell you this is staying cold because it's right by the ice. So I actually moved the milk down here. A packet of cheese that I just opened and used yesterday, so I'm keeping it right there. Because anytime I put cheese, this is my normal cheese spot. Like I won't even eat this because it's been sitting in the warm area for too long, so I don't even trust it anymore. But if the cheese is there for too long, it'll get moldy, like even a few days. I had provolone cheese like this that was only there, it was only up here for about 2 days and it got moldy. The Kraft cheese is kind of like not even real cheese, so I'm not worried about it. But basically this is unopened, so I'm not that worried about it because it's good till October 1st, and it's sort of cold. So we're at this point now where we can't even really use our fridge. It's like having a mini fridge. We might as well just have a mini fridge. That's about how much room we have to keep food cold right now. And our food just goes bad. It just keeps going bad. Within like 2 days, it's no good and I have to throw it away. You know, when you live like that for several months where you try to do your shopping a month ahead or 2 weeks ahead or even a week ahead, and then you're just throwing the food away. It's such a waste of money. We've wasted so much money on food. It's exhausting to live like that. So it's impossible to pick out a fridge on the internet and feel 100% comfortable with the decision that you make, because pictures only take you so far. What the ice maker's like, how the door feels when you open it, how well this thing functions, which by the way ours, it's never worked great. It always stays like that, and then the fridge gets warm from that too because it's not sealed properly. It pays off to be able to go in the store and actually pick out the item. I've never loved this fridge. We just needed a bigger fridge because our family was growing and we were living with a really tiny fridge, you know, like a really small, the kind of fridge that you would see in an apartment building. It wasn't adequate for our needs. So we went to Best Buy and we found this fridge in the open box area and it was on clearance. So it's a $2,300 fridge and we bought it for $1,700 and I regret that decision still. I will never buy an open box item again if I can avoid it. I've never loved this fridge and I felt really great to be able to go to the store and pick out a fridge that I want, that Dan wants, that we both agree we want together. That's the fridge, that's the one, game over. We're really happy now because we can end this chapter of ridiculousness with this fridge that's probably making us sick. So, all that being said, Best Buy is on their way with the fridge. So if this fridge sucks, we both bear the responsibility of it because we chose it together. That's what we're doing. We're waiting for the call. We're waiting for them to bring it. It's now 6 o'clock, so it's due by 7. They're supposed to be here. We live out in the middle of nowhere, so we're usually either the first delivery or the last. We're never in the middle. We're always first or last because we live out in the middle of nowhere. So in this case, we are the last to get it. But now, guys, it is time to clear this bad boy out and say goodbye. So I'm gonna go get the cooler and start emptying the fridge. What's that?
Oh.